How do you enter a complex formula that uses exponents into Microsoft Excel? Take, for example, this formula, where x is raised to the power of 3, y is raised to the power of 2, and z is raised to the power of 4, where x equals 3, y equals 4, and z equals 5. What do you use to raise any number to any exponent? In Microsoft Excel, you can use the caret key to raise any number. This is the caret key. It is the symbol for the exponent function. The caret key is usually found across the top of the keyboard. So this is how you would enter the numbers. First you would enter the base number, then the caret key, and then the exponent in that order. The base number, the caret key, and then the exponent in that order. So for this example, you would enter the following characters. So how do you enter a complex formula that uses exponents into Microsoft Excel? You would use the caret key. So in this example, x is raised to the power of 3, y is raised to the power of 2, z is raised to the power of 4, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 5. And you would use the caret key function, which is this function symbol right here, to raise the base number to its exponents. So right here you would use the number 3, caret key 3. In other words, 3 to the power of 3, and then 4, caret key 2, which is 4 to the power of 2, and then 5, caret key 4, which is 5 raised to the power of 4, and the result is 668. So thank you for watching my video. Please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button for more videos. And thanks for watching.